Hey guys, today we are making fresh rolls. This dish is easy to make, it's super light, so let's get started.
These are all of the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have cilantro, avocado, cucumber, carrot, lettuce, shrimp, and we're also going to be using rice paper. So what we want to start by doing is getting a pan that's about the size of our rice paper. We're going to fill it up with some warm water and then we're going to place the rice paper in there for 30 seconds. So if you forgot to thaw your shrimp overnight, that's okay. You can take it directly out of the freezer and then you want to add a bit of cold water to it and you mix it around. You can leave it for 5 minutes and you want to keep changing out the water and your shrimp will be ready. So we've added our warm water to the pan and we're just going to put our rice paper in. And you just want to twirl it around, make sure it's fully submerged in the water. You want to just twirl it around for about 30 seconds. We're just trying to soften it so that it will roll a little better. Just want to transfer that directly onto your plate and then you can add your ingredients. So I'm going to start by adding some lettuce. Add some avocado. Cucumber. Some carrots. And don't worry, this station is going to get super messy throughout, but it's okay. It's all going into the roll regardless. Add some cilantro. And if you're finding your fingers are sticking to everything, you could have a little bowl of warm water that you can just rinse your hands in between. Okay, so now we can roll. You want to make sure you do a nice tight roll so that it stays in. This part is a little tricky, so don't worry, it takes a few times to get used to it. Do a nice tight roll. There you go. And then you can put it off to the side. And do the next one. So I recommend just wiping down the plate in between because it will have some water, which will make the paper stick to it a little more. So you'll have to also be changing out this water as it will cool